our convection oven stacking kit. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 8.5 inches, a depth of 34 inches, thickness or height will be 3 3/4 inches. Also included are 4 caster wheels. Each wheel will include the brake, along with 4 slots to insert your bolts. The measurements for the bracket, we have 4 inches in length by 4 inches in depth. Total height for the caster wheel, we have 7.5 inches, with the main wheel being 5 inches. Also included will be an additional flashing. The measurements for the flashing, we have 11 inches in length by 2.5 inches in depth. Additional sheet metal and stainless steel screws and washers will be included. This flashing will hold 2 ovens at once, one on the bottom, other on top. The stacking kit can be purchased directly from our website and will work with our electric and gas convection ovens. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.